What is up, everybody? Blue Moon Mining here, and I am back. Sorry for the hiatus. I have just been so unexpectedly busy with work, but I have found some free time, and I'm going to get some videos out to you and many more in the future as I'm waiting for stuff to come in so I can do reviews. Because, yes, I do have some review content coming in and all sorts of other stuff, so just kind of stay tuned and keep looking out for that. But today is something of a review, but not a physical review. It's actually GOMining. So, the people at GOMining hooked me up with a miner, and I've gotten a few weeks to kind of test out, kind of fiddle around, see what they got going on here. And so they gave me like this little mine box, 4 terahash, 15 watts of terahash. It is not extremely profitable because, just as you'd imagine, 4 terahash is not profitable. And of course, they have all these fees and stuff, I believe, that come out. But you do get discounts as long as you keep up with that little service button you saw me click there the last second, and you can build it up pretty good. But I've been kind of testing it out, seeing what's going on. You always start off with this little bonus miner or whatever, and it does, what is that, 50 gigahash? So, I've been kind of tinkering around. I haven't bought anything yet. Um, I mean, the prices ain't horrible because you can create a miner and you can just do like 1 terahash, a one-time payment of what looks like $17. You can pay now, pay later if you really like to put yourself in debt. I don't know. But yeah, so they got all sorts of cool stuff. They also got a monthly basis where you can just keep getting, like, every month you get more terahash. So I don't know, something to check out. I have not done it yet. If I do it, I'd probably do one of these monthly ones, probably the lower end, the $40 a month, because $40 a month is not a killer in price. It's like any other bill that you probably wouldn't notice. Unless you're really strapped for cash, then I would not recommend that at all. Of course, everything just depends on your current financial situation. So take everything I say with a grain of salt and do your own research, because that is the most important thing to do in the crypto space. Don't listen to a thing that people say on the internet and take it wholeheartedly. That's how you lose money. That's how I lost a lot of money when I got into crypto. But yeah, so they kind of gave me this whole scheme, kind of look about, test it out, see how it goes, kind of figure out how things operate. There's 2 different ways of mining. They have Miner Wars, which is kind of like a game. I did it for a little bit. It was all right. It gave me some rewards. But, I didn't really like doing it, so I just have a mining now saying, you know what I mean. But yeah, so not huge payouts as you can tell. Obviously, what could you expect from 4 terahash? I mean, you're still getting crypto, so I don't really care. I got what, 70 cents? Woohoo! I'm rich. But yeah, so it stacks up over time. I mean, obviously, it's going to take a long time unless you have a lot of terahash. But I'm not personally paying an electric bill. I just pay for like a one-time payment of hash rate, and that's what I get. And I'm not mad about that. Who would complain about that? You make a one-time payment, and then you get some terahash, whether it's 1 or however many you buy. And I guess where they kind of get like their prices is kind of like how they like come up with pricing for like actual ASIC miners, where they'll charge you like a specific dollar amount per terahash. That's kind of what they're going here, except for they do the hosting and maintenance of the machines that are making you money. So yeah. And of course it is quite expensive. I don't have, holy shit. You can go up to $77,000. If somebody's got that much money, why are you doing this? But I guess there could be reasons, because it'll probably save you a lot of money on maintenance and other things. So yeah. But yeah, so I thought I'll just kind of show this off. It's a pretty neat platform. Um, I haven't gotten much into the nitty gritty like some people would, but it's kind of cool to see that there are people that have, this person right here had the greedy machines. Holds 7 petahash, 7.4 petahash worth of computing power. It's about $241 a day, but he's not paying an electric bill. He's not paying any maintenance. He's just getting $241 a day to just kind of sit back and do nothing. Just gets 250 bucks a day. I wouldn't mind that. But yeah, so there's some cool things going on. I like the platform. It's a pretty neat platform. I like the idea of what they got going here. Sometimes I wish it was a little bit cheaper to get machines, but at the same time, what can you do about it? What can you do about it? It's a convenience fee, basically. You're basically paying for convenience. And you can also change your efficiency as well. You can, so that affects like when you look at these rewards. Notice how it has a service and electricity. If you have more efficient machines, this will drop. So, say I think you got to pay for it, of course. Yeah, you got to pay for it. But obviously, it's not really that bad. It's actually cheaper than I thought. But yeah, you can drop it more and more and more depending on how many machines you have. So, that's pretty neat. And you can also do a monthly basis as well. It's just kind of like a platform where it's like, give us your credit card information and we'll get you Bitcoin. Like Nice Hash and many other things. I mean, Nice Hash, I mean, any kind of rental services. I mean, this isn't really renting. I think you own the hash rate that you get. And they also, of course, have their own token, the GOMining token. And it looks like they burn quite a bit of it. Excuse me. It's kind of late. But yeah, so I'm kind of peeking around, seeing what's going on. But I will have a link in the description down below if you guys are interested in checking this out. I believe you get a free bonus miner if you use my link. And also, there's also the academy which if you do stuff, it gets you free hash rate. I haven't really dug into it a whole lot. I did like a couple things, I think, for my bonus miner. But you got like these upgrades. Yeah, I got a couple upgrades. Let's see here. Miner activation gave that 0.50 for power, and then I increased it by more power. But there's like these tasks that you can do. Yeah, right here. These tasks where you like can upgrade your miner. So it's pretty cool. So yeah. Other than that, not a whole lot going on. I was checking this out. I know I've been gone for a while. People have probably been questioning my attendance on this platform of YouTube, and it's just been pretty chaotic, pretty hectic with my work life. I started a new job and I was going pretty well with it, but unfortunately things ended up not working out for me in the long run at that job. Excuse me. Holy crap. So I ended up just going different ways. Now I have a job where I actually get weekends off. So expect more content for me in the coming weeks. And I will try to keep I better upload. I mean, it's been like what 3 months since my last upload, so yeah. But kind of just stick around, stay tuned for what's going ahead, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.